The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Today.
I love getting to see glimpses into the world they've created together and how truly and completely they are each other's best friend.
Family and friends, welcome to you all as we gather on this beautiful day to witness and celebrate the union of Ashland Marie Buck and Andrew John Achter.
I was lucky enough to be there when these two met at Red Bull Crashed Ice.
So on one spring day in 2018, when she called me out of the blue and said, "I think I've met someone, but don't tell mom and dad."
And immediately Andrew was looking over his shoulder like, "Who's Sam's friend? She's super hot."
Andrew John Achter, the love of my life.
Ashland Marie Buck, you are the love of my life and my best friend.
My best friend and my forever adventure partner. The day I met you 6.5 years ago, I knew you were someone special. I was the only girl in a St. Paul bar in the middle of January wearing a parka, scarf, and mittens.
From the moment we met, you were authentically yourself. When we met at that outdoor winter event in St. Paul, you were the only girl appropriately dressed for the weather.
We cannot imagine a man that we feel more blessed with to call Ashland's husband and our son-in-law.
Since being together, we've spent 3 months of our relationship in different continents and have since traveled to 6 countries and 15 states together.
And 6 years later, we've traveled the world together.
Oh, you're breathtaking.
Thank you.
It would be a challenge to match two better kindred spirits.
I thank you for being you, the man that I've always dreamed of to have as a life partner.
You are truly the most loving and compassionate person and have shown me what it means to love unconditionally. From this day forward, I vow to reciprocate that unconditional love every single day.
I just want to say that you might not know it yet, but you already have everything you need.
I love every part of you, and I cannot wait for a lifetime full of adventures together.
You're such a genuine, empathetic, kind, and selfless human. You make me a better person, and I feel so lucky to be spending the rest of my life with you. I love you, Andrew.
We just wanted to let you know that every day may not be good, but find something good in every day.
Oh my God. You are so beautiful. Take a look too. Wow, that is stunning. It's perfect.
I love that you both are always down for new experiences and that we get to explore our hunger for life together. As a third wheel, thank you.
Sometimes we all need rose-colored glasses to see the best in our partner.
Oh, honey.
Hi, honey. Wait, let me
I've been putting in the time. our glasses can be raised to recall the memories we've made and live with the love and passion that Andrew and Ashland share. Kanpai.
Andrew and Ashland, you may kiss your spouse.